Hey guys, what's up? I'm doing a cooking video, but you might hear a little thing because my mom's cooking and we're watching a movie, Great Gatsby and shit. So and stuff. So we are back. So what you need is this cheese whiz or cheese. But you need these townhouse stuff. So yeah, townhouse crackers. So what I'm gonna do is like this.
That's fine.
So you see that, but we're back. So okay, what we're gonna do cheese. Oh wait, let me stand up here. Just wash it.
Sorry about the clock. It's an old clock.
Okay.
Years.
Yeah. Yeah. So you see that? I'm gonna grab like this bowl and put it in. So I'm gonna show you.
Yes, I'll be right back. Stacy's embarrassed. Stacy's embarrassed too. She's embarrassed. Yes, just as much as you are.
So yeah, that's what we're gonna do to the cheese, and I'll be right back when I'm done doing it. So once we're done, you do is place it on your plate, and then grab the crackers. You can do a new left one. Where's the okay, so these crackers. Scrap. So I have something like yours. So I'm gonna go. Yeah, all hotels.
It stopped raining. Yeah.
Finish all of these.
Take it out, Dave. Look.
And there you go.